you. So it should be 24. Okay, so it still doesn't match the bank. How come? What else did we miss?
What's the service charge on the bank?
Yeah, what is the service charge? What is a service charge?
How much they charge you for your service?
For their service. Sometimes it's like just a charge that banks have for like checking accounts, and sometimes have you guys seen like ATMs where it says like if you take ATM money out of this ATM, there's a service charge of so much? So the bank charged you for a service charge, which is also a real thing. So we're going to take our amount of money down here, this $399.99, and we should be subtracting $4.75 because we got charged a service charge that we didn't know. Which ends up being $395.24. So our final answer is $395.24. Do you see how now the bank and you both match? That's what you want to have happen. All right, now flip the sheet over. We're going to fill out this stuff from the other side. It says, what was the statement ending balance? Okay, so the statement ending balance, that's the bank's balance. That was $415.09. So this was the bank. And this is you. Our balance that we thought it was $399.99. The outstanding check number was this one. That's 685. That's check number 685. And the amount of the outstanding check was $19.85. You guys found the service charge, which was $475. And then when we finally reconciled it, it was $395.24. These are kind of the steps you're going through in your head. And then on the next one, they're not going to show you a picture. They're just going to explain some stuff. Okay, I'm going to do number 11 with you. All right, a check register balance of $534.79. Check register, is that you or the bank? This is you, so we're going to write you next to this one. And the bank is the statement ending balance. Okay. All right, this time it looks like the bank and you are very different. That's not good. Outstanding check. Who doesn't know about a check that has not been deposited? The bank doesn't know about that. You know about it because you wrote it, right? So I'm going to say here, right underneath this one, here's the bank, and here's you. Okay, the bank started with $404.64. I'm going to subtract the outstanding check. There's also an outstanding deposit. What does that mean?
They haven't logged you.
Right. You deposited money and they haven't put it into the account yet, or they haven't put it into the computer system associated with the account. So a deposit means what? Should we subtract money or add money? Add. So now we're also going to add 150. So we took care of those two things. Service charge. Who knows about the service charge?
-5.
Right. Do we take it away from our money or do we take it away from what the bank thinks we have? From what we think we have, right? Because the bank doesn't know. I mean, sorry, the bank does know, we don't know. So they've got, well, we've got $534.79, and we're going to subtract $5. And we're hoping these two match. So on the left side, it's $404.64 minus $24.85. You should be doing this on your calculator, plus 150. Did you guys get $529.79? And then this other side, 534.79 minus $5 is also 529.79, which match, which is what we're trying to get. So my final answer here is that matching amount, that reconciled number, right there. Okay. I'm gonna give you the rest of the time to work on this.